Be blessed by the divine. Is Simplified Kundalini Yoga the easiest yoga for beginners? Anyone after the age of 14, once they have turned 15, can easily learn the Sky Yoga, the Simplified Kundalini Yoga, systematized and gifted to humanity by our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi. What did Maharishi say? Swamiji always said that every human being must be given an opportunity to awaken their Kundalini and given the right tools which makes it easy for each one to practice Kundalini meditation. Therefore, he dedicated his entire life for simplifying Kundalini Yoga such that even a schoolboy around the age of 15 can easily learn and practice this meditation. So what did he do? He first thought that he should get rid of mantras, chantings. So he eliminated that process. So there is no mantra involved in the Sky Yoga system. Then he also eliminated yantras, use of objects in and around you, such as, let us say, an idol or any other forms and shape that requires you to buy them, keep them, do pujas and do rituals of sorts. He eliminated all of those yantras. And he eliminated tantras. Definitely there is no tantra involved in doing Kundalini Yoga. He also eliminated extreme physical yoga and exercises forms, namely, for instance, deep pranayama techniques that sometimes are recommended for Kundalini yogis. He also eliminated the need to become an ascetic and completely give up everything and go and live like a sannyasi in the forest. He said, anyone, even if the person is married and in the materialistic life, should be able to enjoy meditating upon the Kundalini force. What a fantastic evolution it is. What a fantastic innovation it is that he has created the Simplified Kundalini Yoga form, which any one of you can very easily form and use it. Now, isn't this the easiest form of any form of meditation? In fact, for any beginner, there is no tantra, there is no mantra, there is no yantra, there is no sacrifices you need to make, there is no strict measures that you need to follow, there is certainly no physical exertion that you need to undergo, there is no dietary restrictions involved. You just have to be yourself. As long as you don't have any neurological problems, you haven't undergone any kind of operation, and you have the inclination to go ahead and meditate and improve your life, you are now qualified to awaken this Kundalini with the simple touch of the trained guru, trained master by our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi's system. We have 2,500 such centers around the world. We have 11,500 professors. We have over 65,000 teachers who are ready to help you to awaken your Kundalini. If you are a beginner, do keep in touch with simplifiedkundaliniyoga.com and learn this Sky Yoga technique and awaken your Kundalini and start your journey of consciousness. Be blessed by the divine.